It's math time again. Today for math, we are going to be learning about our math mountains, and we're going to find the total today on our math mountains. And then we are going to work on subtraction, math facts. What you're going to need today for your math assignment is you're going to need your math book, a pencil, and then I'm going to need you to turn to page 355. So pause the video, go get your supplies, and come back. All right, kindergartners, you should be on page 355, and it should look just like the one I have in front of you. If you don't have this page opened, please open to this page. We're going to do a couple problems together. All right, so if we look at this page, today they already give us the partners. We don't have to figure out the partners. What we have to figure out today are the total. Is the total of the math mountain. So at the top, that's where the blank spot is that we have to fill in. But before we fill in the total, I also noticed there's something missing on my math mountain. It's the tiny tumblers. So we also have to fill in our tiny tumblers by making our circles. And then it'll make it easier for us to fill in our total. So if we look at the first problem, they've already filled in the tiny tumblers for us, and we need to figure out the total. So what we do is we either can say 6 plus 1, and if you already know what 6 plus 1 is, you can put the total in the top. If you don't know what 6 plus 1 is, you can always count the tiny tumblers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know my total is 7. So I'd write it at the top. You can also, boys and girls, add on if you want to. That means you can say how many are on this side, 6, and then count on 7. All right, let's do one more problem together. So if we look at the bottom, we can see the two partners. The first one says 5, so that means I need to draw 5 tiny tumblers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I need to go on the other side of my math mountain, and how many do I have to draw? 2. 1, 2. Now I have 3 strategies I can use. I can either count all my circles, I can just say I know what 5 plus 2 is, or I can count on and go 5, 6, 7. This is also a 7 math mountain. Now, boys and girls, not all of these are going to be 7 math mountains, so make sure you check your work. When you are all done with this page, have an adult check it. And then, boys and girls, now I need you to turn your math sheet over to page 356, 356. And what you're going to see is subtraction problems. And so I'm going to show you one of these subtraction problems just to review the different strategies you can use to solve them. So here's one that I pulled out. 5 minus 3. Remember, when it's minus, we're crossing it out. Our number is getting smaller. We're taking it away. So the 3 strategies you can have is some of you already know what 5 minus 3 is, and then you can write the answer. Some of you might not know what 5 minus 3 is, so you need to draw your circles. So you look at the first number, 5, and you draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this second number tells you that I need to cross that many out. So I'm looking at it, it says 3, so I need to cross 3 out. 1, 2, 3. Now I look and I say, oh, how many are left? Not crossed out. 1, 2. So my answer is 2. If you don't want to use circles and you don't know the answer, you can also use your fingers. So I can go, I have, see if I 5, and then I'm going to take 3 of them away. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I have left up? 1, 2. And so my answer is 2 as well. So you can use any of those strategies to answer all of your subtraction problems on this page. Once you're done, make sure an adult checks your work. Remember, keep working hard. Talk to you soon. Bye.